Expression for potential difference between 2 points. Consider 2 points A and B. Here is B, here is A. Suppose. And a positive plus Q charge is here. So the distance between A up to Q is XA, and this distance is XB, suppose. And here we are consider a point P. Angle will be 180 here, and the distance between Q and point P is X. An isolate charge placed at point O. So OA is equals to XA, OB is equals to XB. What we have considered, PQ is equals to small length. Suppose here is a point Q and we are consider small length element dx. So as we know, F is equals to 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught. Distance is x square. It is along PA. Small work done in moving test charge from P to Q. Charge is moving P to Q. So small work done will be dW is equals to small length element is dx, F into dx. So we can write as F dx cos theta, or theta because we are doing P to Q. So theta will be 180. So F dx cos 180 degree, and cos 180 goes to -1. So it will become minus F dx. So dW will be minus, we will put the value of F from equation 1, 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught Q over x square dx. Here negative sign shows that test charge is displaced in a direction. Direction of electric field is this. So direction of force will be this. So but charge is placed in the direction opposite P to Q to that of force acting on it. So total work done will be, we will integrate and put the limit A to B dW. So XA, as we have considered, minus the value of dW is 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught Q over x square dx. Mathematically we will solve it. 1 Q over 4 pi epsilon naught and integrate xa to xb limit, or we can write as x to the power minus 2 dx. So Q over 4 pi epsilon naught integrate by calculus, and limit is xa to xb. So minus Q over 4 pi epsilon naught x minus 1 upon minus 1, limit is xa to xb. So as we know, work done, VV minus work done is equals to the potential difference. So VB minus VA. So VB minus VA will be Q over 4 pi epsilon naught. Put the limit 1 over XB upon 1 over XA. Potential due to an electric dipole. Consider a dipole, and as you know, two equal and opposite charges we will take for a dipole, and the separation is 2A. So half is A and half is A. Suppose here is a point P, and we are consider point A, and from point P up to A the distance is R. So for case first, potential at axis of dipole, because we are taking two charges, so potential due to charge positive and potential due to charge negative. As for V positive, 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon. For positive charge, total distance is R, or here is A. So distance will become R minus A, and for negative, 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught Q over. For negative, so R plus A, it will add. So we will put this value and we will find 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught Q over R minus A plus, here is minus Q charge, minus Q R plus A. Mathematically we will solve. R plus A minus R plus A minus B and A plus B. So R square minus A square by using this formula. So 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught, it will cancel out. AA 2A, so 2AQ R square minus A square. Dipole, as we have P is equals to 2AQ, so V will be 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught P R square minus A square. For short dipole, we will neglect the higher term. So A is very less than is comparison to R, so we will neglect, or we can take R square minus A square is nearly equals to R square. So the value of V will be 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught P over R square. This is the potential due to an electric dipole or at the axis of dipole. For case second, potential at equator. Suppose this is a dipole of two charges, plus Q and minus Q. So half distance is A, other half is A. Here is a point P. Join these lines, and the distance between P up to O is R. So by Pythagoras theorem, it will become R square plus A square, and it will also same by Pythagoras theorem R square plus A square. So V is equals to potential due to positive charge minus potential due to negative charge. So V will be 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught Q over R square plus A minus Q over, distance is same, for plus Q and minus Q, R square plus A square. It will cancel out each other, so potential will be 0.